up? My name is Amy if you're new here, and welcome to a Halloween baking video. If you don't follow me on my Instagram, you probably don't know that I bake pretty often. I make something at least once a week and I just love it, so I decided to make it into a video. So I don't know about you guys, tell me what your Halloween plans are down below, but this Halloween I will not be going out. Not that I really go out on Halloween anyways, but I decided to make these treats for you guys today. And I'm not really crazy into like doing a lot of icing and like using a bunch of food coloring and like going crazy. I don't have a whole lot of like equipment or all that kind of stuff. So I did things that are pretty easy, pretty accessible. Like this one, you do actually need food coloring, and this one is all chocolate. So yeah, but aren't they so cute? I feel like if you have like kids or little ones, then you should definitely make these with them because they were so much fun to make. And yeah, so every month I decided to have like a themed baking video from now on. I hope you guys don't mind. I just want to take a break from the covers every once in a while, do something a little bit different and fun. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy it. This is gonna be really quick and easy for you guys, and I will see you again in November for another baking video. I think I'm gonna try and provide like 3 or 4 treats for you that I made throughout the month, and we can make something together. So I hope you guys have a really fun and safe Halloween. Please be safe, and thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy. Alright, so today we're going to be making monster cookies, which are delicious, very easy, and it was really fun to do, so I love that one. And then we have the chocolate Oreo and Reese's bats, which are so cute. And then we have the last ones, which are chocolate covered things, which I have Jack Skellington and chocolate covered strawberries, but they're little strawberry ghosts. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and thank you for watching. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to show you guys how to make are these adorable monster cookies, which personally were my favorite because they tasted amazing. As for the ingredients, you're going to need 1 box of plain vanilla cake mix, 6 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 eggs, 1/3 cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla, some food coloring, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and some candy eyeballs. Okay, so the first thing I'm doing here is just unpacking the vanilla cake mix and putting it into the bowl, and I'm also just adding in the butter and the eggs and giving it a quick mix. Next, I'm just going to add my vanilla and some powdered sugar and giving it one last stir. The next thing I'm doing is just dividing my batter into 3 equal parts. I just kind of eyeballed it and decided to add my food coloring. I added blue, pink, and yellow, and honestly it was really hard to mix these because it's a very thick texture, so it kind of ended up being marbly, but came out okay in the end. Okay, so setting those aside, I just brought out a cookie pan with some parchment paper, and you guys are about to see me struggle here because I didn't know if I should use my hands or if I should just use a spoon. But I experimented with my hands first, and you'll see why I switched over to spoons. But you just want to grab your mixture and your granulated sugar, and you just want to start forming a ball, not with your hands, do it with your spoon. But for the pink ones, I did it with my hands, and you'll see me eventually give up and using a spoon. And honestly, it looked completely fine with a spoon, so I changed the technique and I started just using the spoon and trying to form a nice shape, and then I just sprinkled on some granulated sugar on top, and so I just did these with the rest of the colors. Alright, so you just want to pop these in the oven at 325 for 8 to 10 minutes is what the website said, but mine took like 18. But yeah, just keep poking the cookies with a toothpick until it comes out clean, and it honestly had that crackled nice look to them. I was very pleasantly surprised. So yeah, you just want to add in your candy eyeballs and you're pretty much finished. Alright, so the next thing we'll be making together is the strawberry ghosts, which are so cute and also seems a little self-explanatory, but I wanted to make them with you. So you just need strawberries and 2 kinds of chocolate, just semi-sweet and white. And I just melted 3 ounces of white chocolate every 30 seconds in the microwave, just stirring it around. And you just want to dip your strawberries in there. So I recommend having some aluminum foil on a plate so that your plate doesn't get messy with the chocolate, and also the chocolate comes off a lot easier with the strawberries if you have aluminum foil. So you just want to dip your strawberries in there and then put it in the fridge to harden up. It doesn't take very long, so just leave it in there for like 15 minutes. And in the meantime, you just want to melt your semi-sweet chocolate so that you can draw your little faces. Now, like I said, I don't have any kind of cool equipment or anything, so I just used a toothpick and just a steady hand to draw them. I just have this photo from Pinterest as inspiration, and I just started kind of drawing little faces on the strawberries, and this is where you can just kind of get creative with it. If you have like a piping bag, I'm sure that'll be a lot easier, but piping bags are kind of a lot of work, so I decided to just use a toothpick. But you can just do whatever is easiest for you, and I honestly had so much fun with this, and these were also very delicious. Alright, moving on to the Jack Skellington Oreo Pops. They're so cute. Again, kind of self-explanatory, but this is not meant to be like a super instructional, I'm teaching you something video. It's just more of like a bake with me kind of thing. So yeah, you just dip the Oreo in the white chocolate and you just draw a little face. Again, I'm just using a toothpick with some semi-sweet chocolate, and I went on Pinterest again to look for some inspiration, and you can make as many of these as you want. You can make them into little jack-o'-lantern faces. You could even dye the white chocolate orange or something and make it look like pumpkin-y. It would just be so cute. So you can get really creative with this one. Alright, last but not least, we want to make the Reese Oreo bats, which are super duper cute. All you're going to need are some Reese's, some Oreos, some melted chocolate, and the candy eyeballs, and it's amazing. I'm so excited. It was really easy, and I think these ones will catch the most attention in my opinion. So what you want to do is just grab a Reese and take one side of the Oreo cookie and split it in half, put a little bit of melted chocolate on the back of it, and just stick it onto the Oreo, taking a little bit more of the melted chocolate and putting it on the candy eyeball and putting it right in the center. And it's so cute, you guys. Oh my god. So that is the last treat I have for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I am so excited that I got to make a baking video for you because I haven't made one in almost a year. So I'm gonna do these monthly, have a little theme to it, and it's not gonna be like an instructional thing because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just kind of making something with you guys, giving you some inspiration in case you want to make something. But I hope you guys have a really safe and happy Halloween. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you very soon with another cover. And have a great day or night. Bye!